Hi everyone. I'm making this video in the hope of showing everybody how easy it is to install the V3 version of the software for your TARS AI. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open a terminal into your Raspberry Pi OS, which I'm assuming you've already done by now. And from the terminal, all I'm going to do is to copy and paste the commands that are listed in the documentation page. So the first one is to actually clone the repository where all of the files are hosted for the software. So this takes about a minute to execute. There's about 800 megabytes to download. So once this is done, we navigate to the actual folder where all of the files are hosted. And from there, we're going to change the permission for the installation file. And we're also going to make it executable. Now we run that file. So that installation file will do a few things. It's going to make sure that everything is up to date with your operating system. It's also going to add some basic drivers and package like Chromium. And after that, it's going to install all of the requirements that are needed. So the requirements are the library needed to run the TARS AI software. This takes a few minutes to do, so I'm going to fast forward that part. But just so you know, you can run the installation program as often as needed, and especially if you download an update to the repo. You probably want to run the installation software again, because this is what maintains and keep up to date all of the libraries all of the time. So if there's something new that needs to be added, it will do it by itself. Once this is done, you're going to see a question to synchronize the configuration.ini file. I will suggest to always answer yes to that question. This is also something that is going to keep up to date with all of the new settings that might have been added since the last update that you've pulled. And then the other question is to delete and create a new wake word. So I will also suggest you do this for the first time. So yes to that one. If you reinstall often, then for the wake word, you can probably skip that one. So now that we've installed the software, the next thing to do is to copy and paste our API keys that we've gathered from the OpenAI website, and then probably from 11 Labs and Pico Voice also. For that, we're going to go into our TARS AI folder, and you're going to find the environment file. If you don't see it, you want to make sure that you can show the hidden files. So we're going to open that file, and here we're going to copy and paste all of our API keys. I am not going to show you my keys, so I'm going to do this and then come back. So once this is done, we're actually ready to run the program. And for that, we're going to type the command start.py. There's a yellow warning. You can all ignore this. Now, since we have the wake word, the custom wake word set up in our config.ini file by default, it's going to tell you to create a new one. So for that, it gives you the instructions. So we're going to repeat the wake word 5 times. And the tool is going to make variants of this and store that in its memory. You technically only have to do this once. Once it's done, it will load by itself every single time you start the application. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a microphone plugged into your Raspberry Pi for that part. And I would suggest using the one that was listed in the bills of material for the V3 version. So we need to repeat the wake word 5 times, and then the tool will let you know when to say it. Hey, TARS. Hey, TARS. Hey, TARS. Hey, TARS. Hey, TARS. And there we go. The software is installed and it's already running, so I can try it out. Hey, TARS. Okay. And there you go. It's already working. One of the things you might want to do is to explore the configuration.ini file. This one is located into your TARS AI folder, into the SRC folder, and that configuration file has a few settings you might want to change. So if you want to use 11 Labs as the text-to-speech, all you need to do is scroll down to the text-to-speech section, and then you're going to want to replace Piper with 11 Labs as the default option. There you go. If I save this and I restart the tool, instead of using Piper, it's going to use 11 Labs. So let's try that out. You're going to see that the voice is a bit different now. On 11 Lab, you can actually customize your own and make it sound like the actual robot in the movie, if we want to. The reason why we're not sharing that voice with everybody is for copyright issues, but you can make your own. Hey, TARS. Hey, TARS.
Right here.
How are you doing today?
Processing. Functioning at optimal capacity. Thank you for asking. Just running some diagnostics and everything checks out. How can I assist you today?
And there you go. That was the installation of the TARS AI software. Thanks.